On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use free traffic to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. The traffic source that I'm about to show you is one of the best, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best offer that you can promote to make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join Max Bounty, you can join OGRs, you can join CPA Lead or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is available worldwide, and the best part is that they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to get paid when you make money on the platform. So just search for CPA Grip. Once you search for it, you can create your accounts and then begin to promote offers. In this case, I've already logged in, so once you are in your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on offer tools. Once you click on it, select my offers. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Grip, so what you have to do is that you have to search and then find any of the best offers that you want so that you can promote it to make money. There are a lot of them. CPA offers, they are geo specific. So what you have to do is that you have to select a specific country where you have a traffic source so that you can get offers that are allowed in that country for you to promote. So if you are promoting any of these offers, you have to get people who live in the United States to click on your link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. You can see a whole lot of different offers. But these offers, the payout is very low, so we are not going to be promoting these offers. You want to search for a country where you can get offers that have higher payout. There are a lot of different offers that you can find on this website. All that you need to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different countries that you can click on to find CPA offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Just select the one that you want so that you get to know the offers that are allowed in that country for you to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to search for Switzerland. So you search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in Switzerland. You can see some of the offers. You are going to be earning up to $20.53 per every lead that you get. You can see $16.42 per every lead that you get. There are many offers that you can promote, and the best part is that the payout is very high. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of them that you want and then promote it. You can see a whole lot of them. The language is in German, so what you have to do is that you have to translate it to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. To translate the text, right click. Once you right click, you can see translate to English. Click on it so that you can translate everything. As you can see, that has been done. Everything has been translated. You can see the title, download your content. This is a gaming offer. There are many of them, so if you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different gaming offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them, so just select the one that you want and then promote it. You can see a whole lot of different games. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Play the best games. The payout is $20.53. You can see the requirement is pin submit, so my potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers. Once they enter their mobile numbers, a pin code is going to be sent to them, and they have to enter the pin code again. Once they enter the pin code, I'm going to be paid $20.53, and they are going to get access to games. They don't need to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to follow the instructions and then submit the details so that I can get paid, and they will also get access to the games. Now, to promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the warning right here. It is only allowed on Android in Switzerland. Apart from that, if you want a tracking domain, you can click right here and then select any tracking domain that you want. You can see a whole lot of different tracking domains. You can see this is the description of the offer. You can see the title. This is an image of the offer. So these are the details that we are going to be using to promote the offer. Now, once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to get paid. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is arstorm.com. This is a free classified website where you can post your links for free. The best part is that you can target a specific country so that you can get people who live in that country to click on your affiliate link. You are not required to pay money before you promote an ad on this platform. Everything is free. You can post as many ads as you want on this platform without paying for anything. You can see the categories. They have vehicles, they have phones and tablets, electronics, furniture and appliance. You can see real estate, animals and pets, jobs, beauty and well-being, services, learning, local events, books and media, baby, appliances, fashion. So any item that you have in any of these categories, you can promote it on this platform without paying for anything. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote your affiliate link here. To create an account, click on register. Once you click on register, you can sign up with your Facebook account or your Gmail account. Or if you don't want that, you can enter your name, enter your phone number, your email address, enter your password, enter the capture code. Once that is done, you have to accept the terms and conditions. If you want to receive marketing emails from them, you can also check this box. Once that is done, click on register. Once you click on it, you are going to get access to a free account which you can use to promote us on this platform without paying for anything. You can see post a free classified, so you can post an ad on this platform without paying for anything. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add listing. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. In this case, the offer is a gaming offer, so just click on it. Once you click on it, select electronics. Once you select electronics, you are going to see a page like this. You have to select the subcategory under electronics. You can see a whole lot of different subcategories. In this case, the offer is a gaming offer, so you have to select video games. Once you select that, you can see it right here. If you want, you can edit it. Once that is done, you can see they have private, individual, and they have professional. You are an individual, so click on it. So select private, individual. Once that is done, you have to write a title for your ad. To get a title for your ad, you can come back on CPA group and then highlight the title of the offer. You can highlight the title of the offer and then copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, paste it here as considered has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste a description here. You have to write some brief information about the offer. In this case, we are going to go back on CPA group and then copy the description of the offer so that you can paste it here. Once you come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the description of the offer. You can see it right here, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here as considered has been done. Once that is done, you can also copy and paste the warning here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the warning. Once you highlight and copy the warning, what you have to do is that you have to come back, paste it here as considered has been done. Now once that is done, you have to type a call to action and then insert your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Google Translate. Search for Google Translate. Google Translate. You can see it right here. Click on it. Google Translate. Once that is done, click on the website so that you can open it. As considered has been done. Now once that is done, you have to select German and then leave here as English. So when you type your call to action, it will be translated to German. So type click here to get access the games, something like this. Click here to get access to the games. Type something like this. Once you type it, you can see the translation. Click right here to copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy the translated text, what you have to do is that you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you have to insert your affiliate link here so that when people click on it, you can be directed to your offer through your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA group and then click right here, copy link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this icon right here, insert link. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Paste your affiliate link here. Once you paste it, click on save. As considered has been done, this text is now linked to your affiliate link. So anytime people click on it, they can get access to the offer, and once they take the action, you are going to be paid. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see the model. You can enter the model here. So in this case, let's just enter new. Once that is done, you can see electronic brand. When you click on it, you can see different brands. Do not select any of them. Once that is done, you can see price. In this case, it is free, so select 00. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the city. But before you select the city, you have to change the country. So you have to scroll upwards. You can see the country here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to search for Switzerland. You can see Switzerland here. Click on it so that it will be changed. Now once you select the country, the next step is that you have to select a city. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select a city. Click on it and then search for any city that you want in Switzerland. So just click on it. Once you click on it, enter any letter that you want so that you can find a city. You can see this is a city. Click on it. Once that is done, you are going to enter the tag, so you can enter games. So enter games. Once that is done, you can see video games. You can enter as many tags as you want, so electronics, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see phone number. If you want, you can enter a phone number right here. You can get a fake phone number and then enter it here. Once that is done, your email address, if you want, you can change it. Once that is done, you have to enter the capture code here. So enter 6CAXG, something like this. Once that is done, click on next. Once you click on next, the next step is that you have to upload an image of the offer. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. You can see this is the image of the offer. Right click on the offer image. Once that is done, select save image as. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on browse. Once you click on browse, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click on next. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You have two options. They have the free option and the premium option. The premium option, you are going to be paying 10 Swiss franc. You can see it right here. By the regular listening, you are not going to pay for anything, so you have to select the one that you want. In this case, we are going to post it for free, so select regular list. Once that is done, click on submit so that your ad can be submitted to the website. Once you click on it, you can see your ad has been submitted. You can see it has been submitted. It is free. When you scroll down, you can see the details of your ad. You can see everything. You can see this is your description. You can see everything, and this is your call to action. It is clickable. You can see your call to action is clickable. So when people click on it, they can get access to the offer and you are going to be paid. You can see your affiliate link is clickable. Now what you have to do is that you have to post another ad so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. Keep on posting different ads onto this platform. Post a lot of different ads onto this platform so that people can find your affiliate link and then click on it. Once they click on it, many of them are going to take the action for you to make money. There are a lot of different CPA offers that have higher payout. So just go on CPA Grip, search for those offers and then post them onto this website so that you can be making money from home as a complete beginner without investing any money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.